I think one way that KLIFE has really impacted me is that, growing up in Stillwater, I've been able to make a lot of friendships within my local church walls, which kind of leaves it to whenever I leave the church body, I don't necessarily have a community immediately, and that's where KLIFE, especially when I was in high school, walked alongside me, to where I could go get meals with fellow believers, have gospel-centered friendships, get to be poured into outside of Wednesday nights and Sunday mornings, and really get to see my faith kind of take shape and evolve, ultimately to being a disciple myself, and then also going and making disciples, living out the Great Commission.
KLIFE has impacted me just by bringing me a group of really strong Christian girls. Growing up, I was started in 6th grade small group, and those same leaders and girls walked with me through my middle school, junior high, and high school life, and just really poured into me and loved me, and that's really changed who I am as a person. I wouldn't be the same if I didn't have that small group, and it just really grew me in my faith. So
I think the biggest thing I've learned in my time in KLIFE, like the one big thing, if I had to summarize it, is how to go live a gospel lifestyle outside of the church walls, right? Like KLIFE's whole model is like your personal intimacy with Jesus is your best discipleship tool, and because of that, like it has taught me how to foster my own personal intimacy and truly go use it as a tool in and of itself, not just kind of a motto we throw on a wall or a t-shirt, but it's taught me how to go live that out on a daily basis.
Oh, honestly, Morgan Andrews, shout out, love her. She was a really faithful small group leader for almost 5 years of my small group career, and she just poured into us every single Tuesday morning and showed up to clubs and came to our events and just loved on us, and now being on the other side of things, knowing how busy being in a sorority is, she gave so much time and energy into us that it meant the world, and knowing that she's awesome. I love her. So
I don't know if I can describe it in anything other than life-changing. Put a little hyphen in there.
I would say impactful. I would say KLIFE just brings so much goodness and glory and community to Stillwater and to just this community, that it changes lives and brings so much joy that it just impacts everyone that comes to KLIFE.